Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Money Way, and today is the day you've all been waiting for. We now have word of a possible COVID-19 vax that is looking very promising with a 90% effective rate. So there's some details that not a lot of people know about this vaccine. Is it starting to get distributed? How is it getting distributed? And is this actually the end of COVID-19? We're going to get into all this information today with this article that I found on apnews.com, which I'll be linking in the description if you guys want to go further into detail. So I'm not only going to be talking about the actual details of this vaccine, but I'm also going to be talking about what stocks I'm buying now, when to buy, and what are their ticker symbols, and further detail about these stocks. So let's get right into it. So this article has some good information about this vaccine, which I'm going to be reading you today. And one important key detail is the vaccine still has to go through approval from the Food and Drug Administration. So it has not yet been approved. It has not been approved as safe, and there's still a lot of more details that we need to know about this vaccine. For example, how it's going to be distributed and if it's financially viable to be distributed. I believe there was an order for a couple 100 million of these vaccines, but we don't know if this can be viable for billions, because I believe it was around 7 billion people in this world, and pretty much all of them need to be vaccinated if we're going to destroy this COVID-19 virus forever. So there's still a lot more information that we need to find out, and that's why we're not seeing, insane returns. This is still pretty crazy. I mean, 11% in just one day. I have some, if you guys want to go ahead and look at the stocks that I have on my current list, I have VVI, one stock I've been shouting at for a long time, going crazy, up 38%. We got Carnival, you already know the deal. We got airlines, we got cruise lines, we got technology, one of my favorite sectors. We have the financial industry, FAS right here. We have energy, Blink charging, resorts, all that. If you guys want to go ahead and maybe screenshot this, these are the stocks that I'm buying right now. I'm buying a lot of NIO on my other stash account, which is just another broker. I don't really recommend it a whole lot, except for that you can get a credit card or a debit card associated with it, just like Robinhood, except you get stock back rewards, which if you guys want, go ahead and let me know down in the comment section. I can make a video on that. So Pfizer is actually the company that came out with this vaccine, and one thing that's very, very surprising to me is that it's only up 8% in just one day. Now, we've seen with other vaccine companies, with other biotech companies, that they've gone up like thousands of percent in just one day, even on potential news of a vaccine. But now that we have an actual vaccine that is looking very, very promising, it's only up 8%, which is the most confusing thing I've ever seen in the stock market. It goes to show that the stock market can be very, very random. This is one of my plays that I'll be talking about further into detail, probably today or tomorrow in another video. So anyways, guys, if I were to put the top 3 stocks to buy right now, or the top 3 sectors, it's first of all, transportation. This is going to absolutely explode. We see Carnival up 30%, Royal 24%, United Airlines up 15%. We got SPR 17%. What is this? Shoot, I forgot the name. Delta Airlines up 12%. I mean, this is absolutely crazy. Transportation has really been, sort of shut down, especially for these cruise lines, and has been really slowed down for more of these airlines. So now that they're starting to get reopened, now that they're starting to make money, now that people can start going on cruises again, airlines soon, this is looking very, very promising. But also another one that you want to be investing over time is, of course, technology. It's not up as much as these other sectors because it has been on an uptrend for a very, very long time, and it wasn't really affected by COVID-19. And if anything, technology actually got boosted by COVID-19 with Zoom. We got people needing computers to go for school. People needed computers to go work remotely. Technology has actually been boosted, which is very, very surprising. But of course, top of the list is the financial industry, up 21% in just one day. Absolutely insane. This is a 3x ETF FAS. If you guys want to go check that out, I definitely recommend it. I have actually a video on this, as well as TECL, which is another 3x ETF. So if you guys want to check that out, go ahead and look at the other videos on my channel. But this is definitely one to watch out for, as it tracks companies like Visa, MasterCard. I'm trying to think of some more. We got banks in there. We got investment funds. All these different companies that will give you a wide variety of stocks and companies to watch out for in the financial industry. So definitely something to do some more research in. Probably one of my top 3 stocks to buy right now, and I'll definitely be putting a lot more money into that right now. Just looking at this list. Oh, we got resorts. Of course, they were open a little bit. We had, maybe 1 to 2 people per casino table. We had some of the slot machines open. We had some of the resort hotel rooms open. But of course, those were very, very limited. There's not a lot of people allowed into the actual casinos, which is what Caesars Entertainment brings in a lot of money related to. So of course, that's going to go up insane, because with all these all these restrictions hopefully going away in the future, and there's hope of these restrictions going away, that's going to boost them over time. But yeah, these are basically the stocks that I would watch out for. COVID-19 vaccine, very, very promising, but we still need a lot more details about the actual financial viability in the distribution, which is of course 90% of the effort and of the money that it's going to take to get this vaccine actually into the hands of the people. Making the vaccine was step 1. Testing the vaccine was step 2, and we were almost done with that. But step 3, which is a very, very big part, is distribution. That's going to cost a lot of money. It's going to cost a lot of planning, and it's going to cost a lot of testing to find out if we can really do that on a large scale financially. But anyways, guys, if you learned anything today, if you checked out any cool stocks, if you want to go learn more about them, go ahead and check out the other videos on my channel. Please, please, please like and subscribe. It helps a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day.